Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. In this video that's going to be an unboxing of the Glossy Box of January. And I know, it's not January anymore. It's not even January when I'm recording this. But let me tell you, January was rough. I had so many things to do and for some reason, a lot of people to meet, and that's not usually what's going on in my life. I don't usually have a lot of people to meet, but I've been very blessed to actually had a lot of really fun things going on in my private life, which is super exciting. So I actually forgot about this one. I did not receive the December box. I heard they had some issues and you were supposed to get back to them and ask them to send the box again if you didn't get it, but I do receive these for free. These are sent to me as PR from Glossy Box Sweden, so I didn't want to be like, hey, where is my free box? Send me my free box. I'm never gonna be that person, so I just let it be. So that's why I didn't have a Glossy Box December, if you're like wondering what happened to that one. I usually unbox these on my channel. This is not a sponsored video. They send this to me as PR and I'm free to open them here if I want to or not. That's basically how PR works. If it tickles my fancy and I like want to show them to you, I do, and if I don't want to, I don't have to. I do receive this as PR and you have a code with them. It is not affiliated and it will only work on the Glossy Box Sweden website in case you want to save, I think it's 20% on your first order. I used to say that Glossy Box was a Swedish company, but it is apparently, and you have corrected me in the comments, it is a German Swedish company, which is pretty cool. And what else do I want to say? Glossy Box is internationally, like they are available in a bunch of different countries like UK and US and of course Germany and Sweden, a bunch of different countries. That's why I feel like it's interesting to open the Swedish box here, just to show you, like, because I do have a lot of Swedish viewers, that of course is like for a given, but also to like see what do we get in a subscription box in Sweden. I think that could be interesting. Why don't I have my ring on? I never have my ring on. I'm the worst. Let me get that. In Sweden we get a magazine, like the Glossy magazine, Beauty Spa, Skin in Focus. Yes, Snoozy, yes. How can I help you? How can I help you, Lippy? Okay, mommy needs to film. I also got a discount on Maria Nila, which is a Swedish hair company. You want to come and say hi? Hi, sweetie. Oh, I don't want to be licked right now. I'm sorry. Oh, are you a bit tired? Is this where you're supposed to be? Are you a knee dog now? Can you see I'm filming? Do you see yourself in the monitor? Are you Don't settle in. Mommy needs to open this box. Let's see what's in it. So this is the January box, and yes, let's see what it's in it. There is a card here. This is the normal pink box. Oh, this was all the items. Sweetie, you see this one? And it looks like this, the normal black and pink, and also a bit drooly right now. Oh, reading the wrong side. Can I, sir? Can I help you? Can I help you, sir? Okay. Beauty Spa. Säg hej till ett gott nytt glossy-år. Vi börjar året med att maxa vintermyset och unnar oss lite välbehövlig egentid. Vi vill inspirera till att skapa egna spastunder hemma. Månadens box har något för alla sinnen. Upptäck en skönare värld med vår Beauty Spa. Why is there drool here? Yes. Can I help you? No licking. Say hello to a happy new glossy year. We will start the year with maximizing the winter. We call it winter cuddliness. It's like a term we use in Sweden. And we will give ourselves some well-needed alone time. Or like, not even alone time, like me time. Well-needed me time. We want to inspire to create your own spa moments at home. This month's box has something for every sense. Ricardo came home. Discover a more lovely world with our beauty spa. This was really hard to translate. Let me take a break and I'll be right back and we can open this box. Let me get the ribbon out. Okay, new try. I took the sticker out and this is what the box looks like. And it seems to be mostly like skincare and body care, and I am not like sad about that because I've told you that I feel pretty like so much new makeup that I am not sad to get some other kinds of stuff. So let's see what's in there. The first thing I see is this one. This is a Juicy Mango Shower. It's only 50 milliliters, so I would say that this is like a deluxe sample. This will probably last you like maybe 4 uses or something like that. Juicy Mango. Okay. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, no overflow. It wants to get out. That one smells just like mango sorbet. That one smells really nice. Okay, I'm looking forward to using that one. That's gonna be delightful. Let me see if I can have the which one is this? Original Source. That's what it's called. Mango Shower. Blah blah blah. This is the original one, the big one, which is 250, which is 5 times the amount of this one. It's only 25 crowns. That is so inexpensive. That's like $3. That's very inexpensive. In Sweden, that's like nothing. The next one is a Garnier Moisture Balm Eye Tissue Mask, enriched with orange juice and hyaluronic acid. I have not used anything like this before, ever. Eye bag reducing tissue mask. Can use me one of those. My skin is going through some rough days. It's that time of the month, and not every month I get like hormonal breakouts or something like that. I would say every 3rd month my skin is just like, wait, stop, let me be annoying, and I would say that this month is definitely one of them. So this is 39 crowns. I would say like $4 maybe, or 5, maybe $5. $4 or $5 at least here in Sweden for one, of course, because this is I'm guessing it's a one-time use. I'm excited to try this one. This is gonna be nice. I need this. I should use that tonight. This seems also like so they gave you, so you can use them together. So this is an eye tissue mask and this is a sheet mask for your face. That's nice. Okay. Designed to provide abundant moisture to skin and make moisturized. Wait, what? Is that English? To keep the skin soft, smooth, and elastic. This has to be K-Beauty, right? Because it says use frequently, can contribute to fair skin, smooth, and softness. That sounds like K-Beauty because they are all about bleaching the skin and we are not all about that here. Pop-Up Beauty. Yeah. This one is 29 crowns. This is also really affordable. This would be about $3 as well, I would say. So this is a very affordable sheet mask, but I mean, if this is good, that could be nice, although I don't want my skin to be more fair, but it says frequently, used frequently. I don't know if it actually has anything that's like, sometimes what we call brightening, they will call lightening. So it's not really lightening the skin. I might be wrong about this, but it is very, it's a thing in like Korea and also Japan and other places in Asia as well, that the fairer your skin is, the prettier it is. I'm not all about that, but yeah, that is their trend. And this one is a Nippon Fab Glycolic Scrub Mix. This is an effective 3-in-1 facial scrub that will blah blah blah. This has some acids in it and also some like peeling, like little gritty bits. Like this. I like a good, I could use a scrub. You know what? Why don't I have a spa night after this? I think I'm gonna use a bunch of this. This one is $120 for 75 milliliters. This one is 50 milliliters, so it's 2/3 of a big bottle. So I think that this is a really good size. 120 crowns for the big bottle, which is just a slightly bigger than this one, like an extra 1/3. $120, how much is that, like $15? Maybe $12, $15, something like that. That seems okay. That's like the mid-range, like affordable but not like budget skincare regimen that I like to be within. I just saw the price and I was like, is this correct? Huh. Okay. Really? What is in this? Okay, this is the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Luxurious, yes, anti-aging night cream for the skin in your face and around your eyes with hyaluronic acid. Blah blah blah. This is supposed to do basically everything. This is 1,000, almost 1,200 Swedish crowns, which is like $150, and this is a full size. I don't like. Why is this like a plastic squeezy tube? If it's that like, I don't. Does this have good things in it? How is it that expensive? It has a niacinamide, is it called that in English? That is apparently a very good ingredient to have in skincare. Some sweet almond oil. I have no idea. I have no idea. Maybe this is amazing. Shea butter. I don't know. I honestly, $150? Can we read a bit more about this? Because I don't, like, I already have a night cream. What is so special about this one? Let me find this. Wake up with a wonderfully hydrated skin. It will soften and revitalize your skin. The formula is basically made out of 3 parts: hyaluronic acid, the mineral in like the Maris agua, which is rich in minerals, and the vitamin B3 that will work against pigmentations and like impurities in the skin. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there's others. Ooh, what? There's other like scents of this shower gel, and one of them is rhubarb raspberry. Where do you buy this? Where do you buy this? Where do you buy this? I want to find out where you buy this. If I can find where you buy this, I will link it down below, because that one smelled nice and I think that was really affordable. Let me see if I can find it. But yeah, that was everything. That was everything for this box. How would you feel about getting like more of a spa box like this? I actually kind of like when they give you things like this in the box, because you're not like fully committing to using something for a really long time. Even though I think that like these are really good things to get in the box, but it kind of, you have to commit to it. And if you already have things that you use and love, like I do, this is just confusing you a bit, because you're like, if you really want to get the money's worth out of the box, you kind of have to use them. So I do prefer getting things like this instead, and even stuff like this, because I am most definitely going to use this. I think I'm going to use all of these things today and see how they are. And yeah, that was everything. That was everything for this box. I will see you again next month for next month's box, if I do get it. I usually do not upload on Saturdays, so this was a little bonus video. I also did film this look, and it's coming not next week, but the week after it. And if you're wondering about what's hanging here, it is the dress that I am gonna wear to Daisy Beauty Awards, and it's just hanging here, chilling in the background. That was everything for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be subscribed to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow for new makeup releases, going on the wishlist or not. Bye!